Somatic nervous system versus autonomic nervous system, somatic motor pathway. This is the cross section of the spinal cord. This is H-shaped inner gray matter. This is outer white matter. The H-shaped gray matter has three horns. This is posterior horn, lateral horn, and this is anterior horn. Anterior horn contains cell body of the anterior motor neuron. The axon or motor fiber leave the spinal cord by using the anterior root of spinal nerve, and ultimately this motor fiber is reach the trunk of the spinal nerve, then by using ventral ramus of the spinal nerve is ultimately synapse the skeletal muscle. The terminal portion of the axon is from the neuromuscular junction. When stimuli is reach the skeletal muscle, the sarcoplasmic reticulum release calcium ion which is causes muscular contraction.